What's the name?
Huh?
Name. The flower name. Bougainvillea?
I don't know.
In the Philippines, it's bougainvillea. Tignan nyo. Pink color. Dito yan. Oh, dito yan sa taas. Don't have in your country? Don't have in your country?
But I don't know what to do.
Oh? They said it's bougainvillea. Dito kami sa taas. So, ayan yung kalsada, guys. Go-walking kami dito ngayon. Kasama ko itong Indonesian na kaibigan ko. Ganda, oh.
I don't know what is in my country really. Well,
Ganda
I'll
tingnan.
go a lot lah, but I don't know what to do.
So nice.